In this video, I'll show you how to post to a subreddit on mobile. So find the subreddit that you want to post on, and at the bottom menu, you want to tap on Create. That'll open up the post. So you have a title. So you simply fill in the title. You also have body text. Fill in the text. And then if you want to add a link, come down to the bottom menu and press on the first icon. It'll let you enter a link. And beside that is an option to add photos. So you can come to your gallery and add a photo. So when you've made the post, in the top right, you simply tap on the blue post button. And you'll see our post below. So that's how to post to a subreddit on mobile. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.